My question is that, no, first of all, speaking about the Berkshire's portfolio, there's an increasing exposure of your investments towards commodities, such as to oil through PetroChina, to steel through POSCO, and to coal and agriculture through the rail stocks that you recently purchased. So my question is that, what is your long-term view on commodities?
We have no opinion on commodities. If we're in an oil stock, it's because we think it offers a lot of value at this price, but it does not mean that we think the price of oil is going up. If we thought oil was going up, we could buy oil futures, which we actually did once. But very seldom, very, very seldom would we have any opinion on what any given commodity would do. Owning POSCO, we just think it's probably the best steel company in the world. Remarkable record. When we bought that stock, we were buying it at 4 or 5 times earnings with a debt-free balance sheet, one of the lowest cost producers around. I mean, it's a fabulous company. And in addition, it was a play on the Korean won, and we made 20% on the won by being invested through a won-denominated security. So we may occasionally be in those kind of businesses. We basically like best the businesses that require very little capital because they're the only ones that have a chance of earning really high returns on capital. You can't have a business that has huge capital expenditures year after year and end up with a high return business. It just doesn't work in this world. But you can find some businesses that really require relatively minimal capital investment. Here's the case. This is a small one, but See's Candy is not going to require a huge capital investment. It requires some capital investment. But it's a wonderful business. It's a small business, but it's a wonderful business. And it's far better business relative to size, adjusted for size. It's a far better business than any steel business is going to be or any oil business is going to be. It's just that it's not very big. We'd love to have it bigger, and we'll do our share in every way we can, as you may have noticed up here. But we do not have a bias at all toward businesses involved in commodities. And if we had any bias, it would be against. Charlie?
Yeah, we're going to be investors in businesses, not commodities by and large. And that has to work better over time.